Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to cook pumpkin halwa with world's first electric pressure cooker, Geek robo cook. For the recipe, we need a small pumpkin. You have to peel the skin and grate it. Grated pumpkin is ready. This is approximately 2 cups for measuring cup. And this is the smart one I bought recently. This is Geek robo cook. Plug it and switch it on. Your on-off switch will start blinking. We are going to fry the nuts first, so I am going to press the on button and then the saute button. Whatever option you choose, the cooker will take 30 seconds for the pan to heat. We'll move on to the recipe. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of ghee. We are going to fry some assorted nuts. This is badam, pista, cashews and raisins. The nuts are fried well, we can take it out now. You have sufficient ghee inside the cooker, but let me add 1 more teaspoon and add the grated pumpkin. Now let us saute this for a few minutes. We are going to pressure cook this later, so you can saute this for about 2 or 3 minutes and then add the sugar. Add half a cup of sugar and saute this until the sugar melts. Here you can see that the sugar has completely melted. At this stage you can add 1 cup of milk. This has started boiling, so now we can close this and pressure cook. This is not a normal rice cooker, this is a pressure cooker, so you have to close the lid properly. Turn the lid and bring the arrow mark to close. For all the vegetables you can use this pongal khichdi button. And I have chosen medium here, so this will take around 15 minutes. Before this get cooked, we'll have a good look into the pressure cooker. The cooker comes in 2 quantities, 5 and 8 liters. The one I'm having is a 5-liter cooker and this is the power cord provided. Along with this, you'll be getting 2 rubber handles. Trust me, this is quite comfortable for holding a hot pan. And you have a measuring cup and a spatula. The pan is removable, so you can clean it very comfortably. This is the pressure release button and this is where the steam comes out. You can also remove the rubber and the plate and clean it comfortably. The power cord has to be plugged at the back of the cooker. As because it is a pressure cooker, you have to close and open the lid properly. Actually, this is very easy. You have to place the lid properly and turn towards lock to get locked. So many buttons are provided for comfortable Indian cooking like rice, dal, sambar, pongal khichdi, idli and of course the saute button. So whatever you do in a gas stove, you can do with this. You have separate buttons for cooking non-veg and biryani. We all know that the more we cook slowly, the taste will be better. So here they have provided us 3 options: quick, medium and strong. This is more like low and high flame in the gas stove. As I said previously, most of the Indian cooking can be done with the 1 button, sauteing. So you have to open the lid, press the on button and then the saute button and you can cook comfortably. They are providing 2 years of warranty and this is a warranty card. And you'll be getting 1 instruction manual and a recipe booklet. We'll move on to the recipe now. The time is almost over. It has come to 1. Once the time is completely over, you'll be getting 3 beep sounds. Once the cooking is done, the cooker will automatically move to the keep warm mode. Press the same button for cancelling it. We have pressure cooked the pumpkin, so if you want, you can wait for another 5 minutes for the pressure to get released. Or if you want to release the pressure immediately, press this button forward. The steam will come out of this. Once a button is moved completely to the other side, you can say that there is no pressure inside the cooker. Now turn the lid and open it. You can see that the pumpkin is soft now. Even after cooking for about 15 minutes, you can see that the pumpkin did not stick to the pan. Now let us move on to the saute mode. So press the on button and the saute button. For the flavor, let us add a pinch of cardamom powder. We are going to saute this until we get the halwa consistency. Let us add a teaspoon of ghee into this. Let us now add the fried nuts. The consistency will be more similar to carrot halwa. The halwa is ready. Once it is ready, you have to press the cancel button. And finally the off button. So here our pumpkin halwa is ready. Let us transfer this into another bowl. Geek robo cook, the electric pressure cooker. This is really smart and really comfortable. If you want to get one for yourself, the link is given in the description box. You can click it and buy it. And you'll find a special discount coupon too. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.